Introducing Glad Funtime sandwich bags with your favorite Disney characters printed right on them. What a neat thing for your lunch.
Here's something neat for lunch at school. Glad Funtime bags are really cool. It could mean lots of fun for lunch. You'll like lunch with the Disney bunch. It's fun time, it's fun time. Anytime, Glad Funtime.
With Glad Funtime sandwich bags.
Anytime, Glad Funtime.
When winter comes, the wind blows hard. Your hard-earned heat can end up in the yard without Stanley weatherproofing. Stanley seals windows, doors, top to bottom. Just the right seal for spots you've forgotten. Plugs for plugs, a wrap on the pipes, the heater, a blanket. What could be neater? For shutting out drafts, sealing odd shapes. Stanley makes the job easy, gets it done right. Because Stanley seals the whole house, seals it up tight.
Rebates up to $5 from Stanley at Caldor.
You're deep within a mysterious planet, a maze of tunnels and caverns being attacked by the savage electrosauri, whose fiendish electromolecular charges can make your skeleton glow. There's no escape. Faster and faster they come. It's the most terrifying moment of your life. And we've just turned it into a video game. Space Cavern by Apollo, with 48 fiendish variations. They say it's only a game. They lie.
From Mercury, the full-size 1983 Grand Marquis. Uncompromised room, comfort, and that marvelous Marquis ride, starting at just $10,718. Now, let me turn your attention to a totally new kind of Marquis. With the rich appointments, the substance of Grand Marquis in a new trim version, starting at just $78.93. Marquis and Grand Marquis. See them both at your Lincoln Mercury dealer. The substance shows at the sign of the cat.
Your blueprint to home energy saving is here in Con Edison's Conservation Home, where heating costs are cut in half with ideas like super walls, triple glazed windows, solar water heating, dozens of energy-saving ideas that can save money in new and existing homes. Ask our energy experts. Explore the Conservation Home Wednesday through Sunday on Carlton Avenue, Briarcliff Manor, Westchester. Con Edison's Conservation Home, where today's energy-saving ideas live.
HBO is okay, but only WHT tops up your evenings with nightcap films. Just wait till you see them. Plus, enjoy lots of great feature films, vintage screen classics, showbiz extravaganzas like Frank Sinatra in concert, children's specials and action-packed sports. No cable TV is required to get WHT. So why wait? Call toll-free today and get the entertainment while the entertainment's hot. Operators are standing by.
Certs presents The Encounter. You'll never know when you're going to wind up face-to-face with someone. With Certs, you're always ready.
I think this is my seat.
Excuse me? Only Certs has a great taste, plus a glistening drop of resin and a fresh, clean flavor to get your breath fresh enough to go face-to-face.
Could I be here the wrong night?
Oh, I don't think so.
Certs regular and sugar-free for breath that's face-to-face fresh.
Of the leading monthly relief products, you know how many are formulated to relieve the three problems so many of us have? Only one. New improved Pamprin. In fact, a panel of medical experts appointed by the Food and Drug Administration found the ingredients in Pamprin safe and effective for cramps, temporary water gain, and simple monthly tension. So for relief from all three, take this, Pamprin.
And for maximum relief from cramps, get new Maximum Relief Formula Pamprin.
Certs presents The Encounter. You never know when you're going to wind up face-to-face with someone. With Certs, you're always ready.
I think I was here first.
Well, let's share the ride. Only Certs has a great taste, plus a glistening drop of resin and a fresh, clean flavor to get your breath fresh enough to go face-to-face.
Where are you going?
Wherever you are.
Certs, for breath that's face-to-face fresh, and now new sugar-free Certs.
Mr. Arcade, I need help. My husband won't come home.
Pac-Man, I can help.
Get him, Pac-Man!
Stand back. This is the official tabletop version of Midway's Pac-Man.
It looks the
And it plays the same. Monsters, power capsule sounds, even displays best score. And best of all,
You can take Pac-Man home.
Official Midway Pac-Man for 1 or 2 players. The arcade game you can take home with you from Coleco.
I have a Theragram for Mr. Stone.
He had a run. Try him at lunch.
I have a Theragram for Mr. Stone.
He couldn't make it. Try the office.
Mr. Stone?
If you sometimes settle for one measly meal instead of 3 square ones, you should be getting a Theragram. Theragram M from Squibb.
who sent this?
Someone who cares about you.
The balanced supplement of extra potency vitamins and minerals. The multivitamin designed by doctors. Recommended most by doctors.
I have a Theragram for you.
I buy famous brands because I know what I'm getting. I buy them at NBO because the price is so low.
NBO.
All her waking hours, she has to see to survive. Her eyes require simple care. Breakable contact lenses are not her style. Superior vision and wearing comfort are. Her environment demands her contact lenses breathe. The unique construction of the Celuflex contact lens allows that breath. Celuflex, the comfort of a soft lens, the durability of a hard lens, the breadth of sight compatibility all its own. Celuflex, the breadth of sight lens. Ask your doctor or call Ranko Ophthalmic.